Welcome to my live stream, guys. Welcome. If you're just joining this live for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you will like it. I just dropped a video today. Yes, I will use blender to blend the apple with banana. That will be their dinner today. If this is for adults, I will serve like this. And also, I won't add any water, but because it's for kids and it's too concentrated kind of, I'll be adding. Children don't tend to like the orange pop. But that's the fiber. My first son, if he's drinking and sees this and gets the taste of this orange pop, he'll tell you he doesn't want to drink. That's why I said if it's for adults, I wouldn't sieve it further. For me, I'll take this one because I'm a human being too. While taking care of others, don't forget to take care of yourself too. So you see, the juice is very smooth now. Kelly, this for you. This is natural vitamin C, and this is for me. Okay, Auntie Blessings. Oh no. Their caregiver. I have to give her too. So I don't need to save her own because she's an adult. Now I'll be drinking this one so I can give her something reasonable. So this is my portion. You can see? Your mom is not. What is that? Okay. Ladybug. It's okay. Take your oranges. Divya. Che Dozie. Why is baby crying?